Hey everybody, Mr. Tannen here. Happy Thursday. So, just wanted to give a quick video actually to check in with everybody. I got Keenan here in the carrier, he's just hanging out sleeping. But today I was hoping for everybody in my Algebra 2 classes to check out either the 3.2 or 3.4 puzzle time, um, or both. I think it would be nice practice. 3.2 is about complex numbers, 3.4 quadratic formula. And then tomorrow there'll be some 3.5 and or 3.6. But then before tomorrow, I'll also post a little instructional video for you to check out. I'll try to keep it short. But 3.5 covers those systems of equations when they have quadratics and that sort of thing, which a lot of your learning in the past, uh, elimination, substitution, graphing, all those strategies apply, and you can have flexibility in them. And then 3.6 gets into systems of inequalities, and that really is going to focus on graphing. So I'm going to make a little video for you to look at 3.5, 3.6, but I'll post the resources. So if you want to do tons of resources and tons of practice, feel free. But make sure you complete that 3.2 and or 3.4 puzzle time. You could do one or the other if one feels like better practice, or both, of course, is great. If you haven't already programmed that that quadratic formula program in your TI calculator, I highly recommend it. It's quite nice for checking answers after you've worked them out and verifying your arithmetic steps. So hope everybody's doing well and have a nice day. All the best. Signing off, Mr. Tannen.